We're still laughing loud, and you're pushing 3 decades with the world now. Let it spin